This is a 2018 Haas VF-3SS. This one's serial number ends in 151. 152 is right next to it, and we'll shoot that video in a minute here. Machine has probing, fourth ready. Right now the spindle's running 5,000 RPM. It's not all the way warmed up, but I'll take it up 75, 85. You hear it all sounds good. There's 3,000. I'll go ahead and stop it and open the doors and move it around. I guess it doesn't want to move with the doors open. There's X. Nice and quiet. Here's Y. Z. Now the axes are nice and quiet. I'll go ahead and make a tool change. Okay, once again, this is a 2018 Haas VF-3SS, serial number 151. (2018) Haas VF-3SS. It's July 2026. This is serial number 152. 151, I just took the video of, it's right next to it. Right now this is running, spindle's running 5,000 RPM. Machine has probing, fourth axis ready, high-speed machine. It's a nice machine. Spindle's 5,000. I'll go ahead and stop it, then I'll restart it. I'll restart it again. So move the axes. There's X. Really quiet. Y. Also really quiet. And Z. It's all good. I'll make a tool change. And as soon as the air stops, I will run the door. I'll shoot a picture of the inside. Here's the inside. So I'll start the spindle back up again. There's 5,000. Here it's nice and quiet. There's 7,500. It's not all the way warmed up. I don't really want to take it all the way up. So that's 9,000. 3,500, 1,500. Here it's nice and it's super quiet. So again, this is the 2018 Haas VF-3SS, and this one is serial number 152.